Today we will be looking at how we utilize Pay by Link within the Autowork online application. So once Klipboard Money has been enabled and the tenant has been successfully onboarded, the user will see that the slider has been turned on and is in a green state. When they see that, they can then navigate over to the emailing section under user options. Then they'll look for the invoice email message, because in order to send pay by links, we will need to add a placeholder for where we want the link to be shown in the email message. This can be done by using the pay by link placeholder as shown here and adding it to the message at any specific place that the user wants to add it. Here we've added in the middle of the message, but that can be added at any specific point that they want. Once that's been added, the user can click update. Changes will be saved, and they can now start using Pay by Link. As it currently stands, Pay by Link is only available on single invoices, as I will show now. So if we go over to the document page, we have a new blank document for our customer. We'll add a bit of labor. Once that's added, we will turn the document into a job where the work can now commence. Once the work has been completed and we want to then invoice out the job, we will click on the invoice button as we do normally. We will confirm the mileage, but now instead of actioning a normal pay action, we will click on the Pay by Link button. This will generate an invoice that can then be sent to the customer. So once the PDF is shown or the printout, the user can then email this out to the customer and they will receive their Pay by Link. Important to notice here, once the link has been created, the user will see a banner that is displayed on the document to show them that the link has been created. Once they email this out, so click email, we'll see the email has been sent. Close out my print. If we navigate back into this document or refresh the page, we can now see that that banner has been adjusted to show that the payment link has been sent. The user will then receive their email that has the link included. We can see an example here where they can now click on the link to make the payment. So I will now click on the link, which will take us to the Pay by Link platform. Here the user can complete the details that are requested. Once completed, it will take them to the pay page. Where they can make the payment and enter their card details. So I'll just use one of our test cards. And the payment is complete. Now once the payment is complete, it will take roughly 90 seconds, sometimes quicker, for the payment to then be reflected inside Autowork Online. While we wait for that to happen, we can see one of the locations that we can track our payment links that have been sent. So if we navigate to the document side panel and we click on document search, we can see a list of all our documents. On this list, we've got a status column, and any documents that have a pay by link that has been created or sent or expired will be showcased in the status column. As soon as the payment has been completed, that link will then be removed, and then it will just be handled as a normal completed invoice. So if we navigate back to that document, and there we go. You can see that the invoice has now been paid. And to confirm that, we can also then go to our sales ledger page. Just display for completed documents. And we can see the payment has been made successfully. And it will show up as a normal card payment. Should we need to do a refund, we can navigate back to the document. We will click the refund button, and it will send, once we select the item, it will refund with the method that was initially used to make the payment.